All right, y'all, so it's 10:10 at night and I am coming in at you guys. I was expecting to come in earlier, but the day was just so filled with so much stuff going on, so I'm only getting to come in now. So anyway, this is not how I wore my hair today. I did not wear the middle part. I wore a side part. However, for the purposes of these videos from here on out, when I do my update, I'm going to do the middle part. So, because the last time I did a middle part, and so I want to keep it going with the middle part with each time. So let's go ahead and analyze this bad baby. So let's look at the front. Here is, yeah, let's look at the front. Here's my front party. And then let's go to this side. All right, y'all, so that is where my hair is right now at 7-month retie. And when I tell you guys that it's okay, so let me tell you guys how it went today with getting my retie. Today it took 1 hour and a half for my retightening appointment. So I think that is the longest she has taken, and I believe that is because of two reasons. One, I had a good little bit of perimeter slippage. Yes, I had a good little bit of perimeter slippage. And number two, I had a lot of locks that were marrying one another. And I actually took something after. I mean, I don't know if it helped. Actually, I don't think it helped, but I did take something after, because I've heard people say they take stuff after they reties or what have you, retightening. They take something after for it to help them with their, what do you call that, when it hurts. So I'm tender-headed, so of course it did bother me, being the fact that I am tender-headed. Right. So with that being said, I am going to hopefully do better next time with separating my locks. And I say that each time because, yeah, because each time that does hurt. And I say that each time that I'm going to do better with separating my locks. Oh my gosh, it's so tight right now. It does, it's tight. But I am glad to have it over, and my next appointment is actually February the 6th. I go back to get my 8th retightening. Look at, I wish I had taken, like, what do you call it? I wish I had done a before after when she did this little lock, because this little lock has grown a lot. It has grown a lot right there. So anyway, so I wish I had done, y'all, my eyes itching. So I wish I had done a before and after of that little lock right there, so y'all can see how much that one has grown. So anyway, what did I shampoo my hair with? I get this question a lot, and I think it's because some people haven't went back to see my other videos from the beginning, so they don't know that I don't use the Sisterlocks shampoo, because I'm constantly getting the question as to whether or not I use the Sisterlocks shampoo. And I do not use the Sisterlocks shampoo. I have not used the Sisterlocks shampoo since I got the tester bottles, since I got the sample bottle from my loctician when I first got locked. So I have not used the Sisterlocks shampoo since then, and I do not plan on using the Sisterlocks shampoo. I do not like the Sisterlocks shampoo. So what I shampoo my hair with, the first shampoo, because I shampoo my hair twice, because I shampoo my hair every 2 weeks. I think I'm gonna go to once a week, but I shampoo my hair every 2 weeks. And so I shampoo the first time with the lock cleanse, and I use the lock cleanse, of course, because it's specifically made for locks. And then with my second shampoo, I go in and I use my Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. So that one, of course, is not made for locks, but I can use it on my locks. And so I use those two shampoos when I shampoo my hair. And I don't use the lock cleanse by itself because the lock cleanse is not a cheap shampoo, and I don't want to use it all up, and that's because I have some things going on right now, and I don't want to just use up my money on certain things. So if I could just kind of hold off on that just a little bit, then that works better for me. So to supplement, I do use the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo or what have you. So yeah, so that's about it for this one. I am going to do like a video. I am going to do like a video specifically on my locks coming up as to like things that I've learned or why I like my locks or something like that. Something to that effect. I'm going to do a detailed video very soon about my locks. And I don't know whether or not I'm not going to say that, yeah, I'm going to start doing styles with my locks, because I don't want to be manipulating my locks too much, because my hair is not locked. I have a lot of people that ask me about my hair being locked, and my hair definitely is not locked. How long it's going to take for it to be locked, I don't know. But right now, no, it is nowhere near locked. And I didn't show y'all in this. I was trying to vlog today, but I didn't finish vlogging. But for my loctician, I got her a cell phone tripod, and it's by the same company I got mine with, but it's a little different from mine. But anyway, I got the cell phone tripod, and it has a remote with it. I may add some footage from that, because the vlog that I was doing today, because my day was so filled up, I'm just not even going to upload that vlog. But I did get her a tripod, a cell phone tripod. So I actually got it. I meant to get it before Christmas, but I didn't, so I took it to her today. I ordered it off of Amazon, and I'll share that with you all, and I'll put a link down there to it in my Amazon store. Yeah, I have time I forget to use that Amazon store. But anyway, I'm getting sleepy. It's like I said, it's after 10 o'clock. It's past my bedtime. I'm sleepy. I'm going to go ahead and get this makeup and stuff off. Get myself ready for bed. So yeah, with that being said, it's been great chatting with you all. Thank you all so much for coming to check out another video on my channel. Thank you all once again for coming to check out another video on my channel. Thank you to all the newbies that are here, and thank you for all the oldie but goodies that have been here with me. I really do appreciate you, and I really do appreciate your support. So with that being said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. And I will do what? See you in the next one.